Welcome to the world of Merry Christmas, and thanks for stopping by. In this series I'm going to show you how to create a unique, individual, magical Christmas experience just for you. We're going to look at a variety of colours, incorporating traditional, modern, rustic and anything else that I can think of along the way. We're going to look at table settings, tree decorations, hanging decorations, embellished baubles and absolutely anything else you can imagine. We're going to start today with this lovely Tiffany blue colour. It's a really nice cool colour, perfect for the Australian climate, and I'm going to show you how to create some different looks. These are really pretty, but they're quite plain, and embellished baubles can be expensive and they're quite generic. So we're going to turn that into something that looks like this and this. So let's have some fun. I'm going to start off first with the little Snowflake Bauble, and that is the simplest decoration that you'll ever do. So all we're going to do is get some white glue, and we're just going to pop a few little spots of glue randomly on the bauble. Then we're going to take some little snowflakes. We're just going to pop them on the glue. Now you can put as many or as few as you want. It's just going to be up to you how you feel. If you have a look at these little snowflakes, they're tiny, but they're very textured and really pretty, and they've got a lot of detail in them, so once they're on the tree they'll sparkle and shine and look quite amazing. The second one we're going to do is the little pearl beading. Now the pearl beading is really simple as well. We're going to use these little flat backed beads. They are so simple because they sit and hug tight to the bauble. And what we're going to do firstly is I've actually marked out where the seam of the bauble is. I'm just going to run my glue along that seam to the center, and I'm just going to pop my little pearl beading on that seam. Once I get to the middle, I'm just going to run the glue the rest of the way to the top. This glue is fantastic. It's strong enough to do these little projects, but it also dries clear, so if you have any little messy bits, like I always do, you can wipe them off really simply, and it's certainly strong enough to hold what you want. So you can do this with just one, or you can do it like this one as I did before with two, or you can do a combination of this little bead and some snowflakes or something else, but it's really easy to do. So as you'll agree, that could not be simpler. Next time we catch up, we're going to be putting some bows on the baubles and decorating the tree with these, and we're also going to be looking at how you can create hanging decorations. These are the baubles we made earlier, and I've added some lengths of pearl beading, so we will hang these from the ceiling at random lengths, and you won't believe how magical the whole room is going to look. So until then, happy decorating, and I look forward to catching up with you very soon.